Welcome to our very short lesson. Today we speak about Nicolaus Copernicus and his work. Well, it is him who discovered that Earth is not the center of the universe and that all planets revolve, rotate around the Sun, and one of these planets is also Earth. Copernicus explained what we observe by a double movement of Earth. First, Earth rotates. This makes day and night. Earth rotates full rotation in 24 hours. No, exactly in 23 hours, 56 minutes, because apart from this, Earth moves in the universe. I have a tip top from Japan, which is very nice illustrating this movement. Earth rotates and apart from rotating, moves around the Sun, makes this revolution around the Sun. This self-rotation of Earth is very important because it allows to maintain the axis constant in time. Constant axis means seasons, means constant seasons. Well, this tip top comes from Mexico. It's also very nice because shows this rotation and this revolving on the orbit around Sun. But Copernicus in his book writes that Earth makes three types of movement. Well, impossible. What is the third type of movement? Well, let's try with our toys. This is called gyroscope. Let's start it moving. It stays. Well, it moves a little bit, but if I want to incline this gyroscope, if I want to incline him, it starts to make this slow movement, circular, very slow movement. And what about Earth? Earth is doing exactly the same, because also the axis of Earth is inclined. And Copernicus noticed, well, more exactly not him, but astronomers for 1,000 years observing seasons, they noticed that seasons are not constant, or more precisely, the day of spring moves ahead towards February by 1 day every 100 years. It was called precession. And this is exactly what does such gyroscope, well, rotating and slowly making a rotation around the vertical axis. Slowly, how slowly? For Earth, it means every 25,000 years. It means that polar star, which is now, will not be polar star in 3,000 years. There will be star which is called Tuban. Well, so this was the great discovery of Copernicus, these three types of movement. But Earth is doing also fourth type of movement, like this tippy-top or this tippy-top. Apart from making rotation and precession, makes small variations of axis. They are called nutations. They are not very, very big. They move equator by some 50 meters in a year, but they also happen. These are some disturbation of the orbit. Well, so I have all these toys from Japan, from Mexico, and this comes from Australia. Allows me not only to, it stands by itself, it allows me not only to go around with the rotating Earth, but also making flying in the universe. So I wish you a lot of fun with rotating objects and triceratops and gyroscope. Copernicus was really a great scientist. Thank you very much.